Hi guys, welcome to Karen's Corner. It's been a while since I filmed anything because I had a little break over the holidays and I just thought it would be a good idea to start filming again, showing you what I got for Christmas. And I got a lot of Alice presents. So first up, I got this white rabbit. It's so darn cute. Let me just get this out of the packaging first. Just a second. I do really love the packaging of this thing. So, do I throw this out? Do I keep this? That's always the question. Oh well. Look at it, guys. It's so gorgeous. It's so cute. It says, I'm late, and I really love that they have this on front. There is a Cheshire Cat version as well, and it says, probably we're all mad here or something like that. I don't really know. But look how cute. When I opened it, when I got this for Christmas, I thought, well, that's kind of cheap to put a bit of, you know, just this is cardboard. You can take it out and put it back in. I'll just leave it in. But on the other hand, it looks really nice and it's less plastic. So actually, it's kind of nice. It's Alice in Wonderland and I love the grass going over here. And it's just so cute. Look at that expression. Oh dear, I'm late. So now I want the Cheshire Cat as well, of course. I'm not sure if they're gonna make more. It is by Abby Style or AB Style, AB Style Studio, and I just really love these things. This is a relatively new brand, I think. So yeah, I hope they're gonna do the rest because it is really cute. Now my room is filling up, my Alice room is filling up with Disney items. When you walk into my room now, it is all Disney, and then when you look very closely you see other items. And I would really love to get more Alice in Wonderland items that are not Disney, but it's just very hard to get, and especially in the Netherlands, at least, I'm not sure if it's especially in the Netherlands, but over here it's very hard to get anything else but Disney. But come on, it's also so very cute, so I really want it all. So, but who cares? It is gorgeous. So thank you, Santa. Okay, so another item that I got is this one. It's a card holder with a lanyard. A beautiful Alice in Wonderland lanyard, and I haven't opened it. So, because it's so handy to have it like this, but I want, oh my gosh, it's gorgeous. I love this Alice so much. Okay, I love it. And then over here you have the bread and butterfly, which I absolutely adore. And then this is a card holder. And it has this on the front. This is exactly as the, did I show you? As the backpack, no, it's a purse, I keep saying backpack. As the purse that I have. I'm not sure if I showed you that. I need to check that. I do have a purse, it looks like a book, and it has this on the cover. So this is the cover of a book. And it's awesome. So there were also lanyards of a lot of Loungefly purses. I wanted to say backpacks, but purses. Maybe backpacks as well. I don't know. But I thought this one was so gorgeous, so I put it on my Christmas list and I got it. I think it's so funny. So this is a really, really wonderful gift. Oh, yes, I'm so happy with this. But wait, there's so much more. Next up, I got some beautiful pins. They're from Disneyland Paris. And it is the Red Queen with a flamingo. And it is the king, and to be honest, the king is relatively big. It is a very small king, but over here he's bigger. But maybe she's a bit, he's in front and she's in the back of this picture. It doesn't matter. But these are two pins on one card, and I just really love them. Look at it. Oh my goodness, I'm going to rearrange all my pins. I bought little canvases but with glitter on it, so a glitter pink and a glitter green one and a glitter silver one, and I don't know. And I want to put all my pins on there and hope you still see them, because this is glittery as well, so it's a lot of glitter. But it's going to be behind the door. When you go into my Alice room, when you open the door, and behind the door there's going to be a lot of glitter and pins. So I need a lot of pins, so I got another one. Look at this one. It says, well, it's a Merry Christmas one, but it's just part of it, as you can see. It's a spinning teacup, and I think on this side there has to be a Cheshire Cat. I'm not really sure. A Cheshire Cat in a spinning cup. So that's on my list for next year, maybe. Who knows? Something to look for on eBay or whatever. It's so beautiful. I just love the spinning teacups. If you watch my videos more often, you know I love the spinning teacups. So this is Alice having so much fun in one of those cups, and it's so Christmassy. So yeah, I still need the Cheshire one. And this one is also, you can't really see it, but it says over here, Disneyland Paris. It's one from Disneyland Paris. And there are only 700 made of these, so I hope I can get a Cheshire. If you know of the Cheshire, or the other one in the spinning teacup, I know there's another one. I would love to know, because what do I do with this now? So I've got another pin for on my new pin boards. And it might be months before those are finished, but when it's finished, I'm gonna show you. Okay, well then I got some books. Look. It's age appropriate. I'm 57 and I got this for Christmas and I'm so happy. It's Alice's, it's from Disney Junior, Alice's Wonderland Bakery. And you know what? I haven't seen the videos yet. There's a whole series of this and she looks so cute. And I've seen little snippets of it on YouTube. And but we can't just see this in the Netherlands. There's no one is streaming this, or I haven't seen any of it. Just like I said, just little snippets. And I know you can see it in the UK, but I'm in the Netherlands, so. And there's also no merchandise of this stuff in the Netherlands because no one knows it exists, except for me and a few other Alice fans. And but you could get this on Amazon UK. Haha. So, and they ship to the Netherlands. So I'm so happy with this, and it's so gorgeous. It's got shimmery, glittery stuff, and I love that. She's so cute. So this is, I think, the granddaughter of Alice, and it's just so gorgeous. And this is holiday themed. Look at little Dinah. It's so cute. And I have no idea what it's about. I know this is the Red Queen, her granddaughter or great-granddaughter, I don't even know, and Dinah, and you've got the White Rabbit, and of course Alice, and this is the Mad Hatter. And Cheshire is still the same, just the hat. Oh, and the tail. And it's just so beautiful. I just think it's so gorgeous. So I'm gonna sit down and read this. I haven't read it. Well, maybe by the time I upload this I have, but it just looks so gorgeous. I really, really want to see this series. So I hope I can see it somewhere in the Netherlands. If someone knows where I can watch this, let me know. Ooh, now I know the ending. They lived happily ever after. Okay. It's so gorgeous. So I did get another book. Let me show you. It's this one. Another one of Alice's Wonderland Bakery, and it's an unforgettable unbirthday. So it's someone's unbirthday. Oh, I really love it. I can't wait to see this. But oh well. Yeah. It's just cuteness overload. Look at it. I love it so much. So another book for me to read. I've got lots of books to read. Well, then let me show you the next book that I got. Hey, it's Alice's Wonderland Bakery. Where there's a whisk, there's a way. Oh my gosh. And it's got glitter as well on here. I just love this so much. It's all pastel and it's all cute and there's glitter and I'm happy. It's made for me. This is made for me. Look at it. And it's just so gorgeous. Oh guys, and I ordered this, the Easy Bake Oven. It is, I think it is. And there's a doll of Alice with it. I ordered that from the US because I couldn't get it anywhere else. So I ordered it on eBay and it was pretty expensive. And getting it over here and everything, oh boy. But I'm gonna show you as soon as it gets here. Oh, can't wait. Look at it. Another book to read. I've got so many wonderful books to read. This makes me so happy. It's just so cheerful. And then I've got a more serious book. But it's gorgeous. Look at this. Animated Classics, of course, by Disney again. It is a Alice in Wonderland Disney book and I absolutely love this cover. Look at it. And it is a really special edition because, as it says over here, relive the magic of Disney Alice in Wonderland through the retelling of this classic animated film, accompanied by paintings, story sketches and concept art from the original Disney studio artists. So there's gonna be Mary Blair in here. Look at it. Yes, there is. I have a plush of these two. And just wonderful, wonderful drawings and concept art. It's so gorgeous. This is such a special book. Look at it. so much fun. I can't wait to really sit down and read it and look at every picture up close and really look at it. The Tweedles. And then this is probably from the picture itself. And more concept art. He looks a bit creepy over here. I love the fact that Alice is a little chubby little child, although she has a waist that isn't really in proportion to the rest, but still. It would have been fun if it was a little chubby child. But she's cute over here as well. So yeah, so I've got this book. I'm not going to show every page, but I am going to show this one. This is one of my favorite drawings. Oh, it's so cute. Awesome, right? I'm so happy with all my stuff. And then the last item I'm going to show you is again Alice's Wonderland Bakery. It's so cute. I have opened it, of course, but I've put them in here, back in here, and it's just so cute. It's so darn cute. So this is the first item of the 3 that I ordered in the US. These are cute little figurines. Where to start? They're all so cute. Look at Dinah. I'm just going to put this over here and take one out. It looks more like a little fox with these huge ears. A cute little bow. Look at it. It's so gorgeous. This is a cute Dinah. And then of course you have Cheshire. Wait, I'm gonna take them all out because it sounds really awful. I do love this. They are trying to make the packaging more smaller and a bit less plastic in there. And over here, these 2 are stacked up on top of each other because they can. Otherwise, the box would have been bigger, and now it's... I just like that. Okay, well, then I'm going to show you the cute little white rabbit. I don't know if they had... I think they have different names in the new series. I haven't watched it, like I said, so I don't know. So for me, this is still the white rabbit, and maybe it is just a white rabbit. Look how cute, with a little pocket watch. It's so funny. Oh, what else do we have? We do have Cheshire Cat. But over here. A huge Cheshire Cat. Look at it. That's such a weird animal. I love it. Look at those eyes. It's gorgeous. And it has a little croissant. So probably this Cheshire really loves croissants. It's funny, right? So Cheshire and the White Rabbit and Dinah. And then of course you have the granddaughter or great-granddaughter of the Red Queen. She's gorgeous. She's got this little red heart on a cupcake. And she just had this lovely dress with little hearts on it. I just think it's beautiful. I love her hair. It's so gorgeous. With a little crown. Of course, she's a princess. It's just, look at this cute little face. My gosh, it's just so gorgeous. So then I'm going to show you Alice, which is of course my favorite because it's Alice. And she's got this bowl and, oh, I thought whiskers, well, whiskers. She's not a cat. She's got a spoon. I thought she had a whisk. And she's got this lovely bow that has 2 colors. I really like that. It is a cute version of a little Alice. Such a cutie. And then actually my favorite, I haven't seen the series, but look at the Mad Hatter. This is awesome. I love the hair. I love the coat and the hat and everything. He's a cute little Mad Hatter. I'm not sure if he's mad, but a cute little hatter. Oh my gosh, it is so gorgeous. And I love the teacup and everything. These are just such cute little figurines. Look at them. I just want to make you play with them. Ah, boy, I just love it. I love it so much. So I am going to, I have no idea how big the little, it's an easy bake oven. It's probably not real, but it said easy bake oven. It's a little oven with a doll of Alice, and I have no idea how big it is. So I want to have one shelf especially for this. So I might just put some of the books. Wait, that? No, everything is falling. Not this book, of course, but this book. I might just put it on the shelf as a backdrop, and then put these in front of it. Oh my gosh, so cute. That's so cute. That's what I'm gonna do. And then I have this book, and I have this book, and there's gonna be a doll, and I ordered another thing, and I don't even know what it was anymore. Something very cute. Oh my gosh. I'm just a bit overwhelmed by all these beautiful, beautiful presents that I got from Santa. And this wonderful book. And then all of these cute, and this one is the cutest, Alice in Wonderland bakery stuff. And then I've got a white rabbit. My goodness, can you see it? White rabbit. And I've got pins, more pins, and a lanyard with a card holder. Wow. And then I got some little treats and stuff, but it was mostly Alice in Wonderland. These are my Christmas presents. Thank you so much, Santa. I just absolutely love it. So my husband and my kids got this all for me. Because Santa told them to. And that is so sweet. I mean, look at it. It's just, I love it. So I'm gonna sit down with a cup of tea and I'm gonna read one of these books because I think they're just so awesome. So let me know, what do you like best? And have you seen any of Alice's Wonderland bakery episodes? I haven't. And I want to. So again, if you know where I can watch them, let me know. And I'm just gonna find a spot for all of these beautiful items. I'm so happy. I've been spoiled this Christmas and I love it. Okay, so guys, I hope you had a lovely Christmas. It's a bit late already in the year when I upload this, but hope you had a lovely time. And, well, Happy New Year. So all that's left to say now is, groetjes uit Wonderland. Greetings from Wonderland.